Starting at the chin, you're going to move along the jawline up towards the ear using light pressure. Do this movement about 3 to 5 times. Next, you're going to move to the cheek area, moving the tool up and out towards the temple. You want to start at the innermost part of your cheek and move up. Remember that we are stimulating lymphatic flow, so you always want to be moving everything out towards the sides of your face. Next, we're going to rotate the tool to target the under eye area. Now, moving with really delicate pressure, we're going to start at the innermost part of the eye, moving up and out. A lot of people like to keep this tool in the refrigerator because it really provides a nice cooling, depuffing sensation. Next, we'll focus on the forehead. Starting between the eyebrows, you'll take the larger side of the tool and move up towards the scalp. You're going to want to move along the side of the forehead towards the temple 3 to 5 times in each location. Finally, once you've completed both sides of the face, you're going to want to drain all of the work that you've just done. So starting at the forehead, you're going to move out towards the temple, down along the side of the face, towards the bottom of the jaw, down to the neck,